Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off my ad center on your Google Chrome app. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this sign here on app, then it's going to show for you a list like this. And all you have to do now, so you just click here on settings, then it's going to check here in this window, then you just click here on sync, and it's going to check here in this window, then you just go down here, you click here on Google activity controls, and it's going to check here in this window. Then all you have to do now, so just go down here and you click here on say all activity controls here. So then it's when you click, you just keep going down here and you come here to my ad center, you will click here and it's going to take you to next step here. Then you come here to app, you will click here on app, and you come here to personalize the ads, you will click here on turn off, and like you see now your personalized ads it's on off now. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.